When it comes to choosing a dropshipping platform, Volusion might be on your radar. But before you make that decision, here are 12 things you need to know about Volusion to help you determine if it's the right fit for your business. First, let's talk about pricing. Volusion isn't the cheapest option out there. Compared to Shopify or BigCommerce, Volusion's basic plan starts at $39 per month, which is similar in price, but the features you get at this level may not be as extensive as what competitors offer. If you're looking for something more affordable with a wider range of features right off the bat, this might not be the best option. Next, Volusion offers a user-friendly interface, but it can feel a bit outdated compared to Shopify or Wix. While the drag-and-drop editor is simple, it lacks the intuitive experience that some other platforms provide. If ease of use is a priority for you, this might slow down your store setup. The third thing you need to know is that Volusion has limited payment gateway options. It only supports 40+ payment gateways, which is fewer than what Shopify supports. This could be a deal breaker if you need a specific payment processor. Moving on, Volusion offers good design flexibility, but the templates are very basic. There aren't as many themes to choose from as you get with other platforms like BigCommerce or Shopify. If having a unique, custom-looking store is a priority, you may find these limited options frustrating. The fifth thing to note is Volusion's built-in dropshipping tools. The platform does have a product sourcing tool, but it doesn't integrate with a wide range of suppliers compared to platforms like Shopify, which has a huge ecosystem of third-party apps for dropshipping. You may find Volusion's options a little restrictive. Next, if you're planning to scale, Volusion might be limiting. Unlike Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer plenty of advanced tools for scaling, Volusion has fewer integrations and features. If you're thinking long-term, you might find yourself outgrowing the platform quicker than you'd expect. The seventh thing is that Volusion offers great customer support. Unlike Shopify, which can sometimes have long wait times, Volusion's support team is known for being more accessible and responsive. However, support comes at a cost. Paid support options are necessary for some more advanced troubleshooting. Next, let's talk about SEO. Volusion offers decent SEO features, but compared to Shopify, it falls short. The platform doesn't provide as many advanced tools to optimize your site for search engines, which could impact your long-term growth. Shopify offers more flexibility in terms of SEO customization. The ninth thing is Volusion's lack of a mobile app for store management. While Shopify and BigCommerce offer fully functional mobile apps, Volusion doesn't. This can be a major downside if you need to manage your store on the go. The 10th thing to consider is inventory management. Volusion does provide basic inventory tracking, but its tools are not as robust as those offered by BigCommerce or Shopify. If inventory management is critical for you, you may find Volusion lacking in this area. Next, Volusion has a decent set of reporting and analytics tools, but they aren't as in-depth or easy to navigate as Shopify's. If tracking and analyzing data is a big part of your business strategy, you might want to look elsewhere. The 12th and final thing you need to know is that Volusion's marketing tools are limited. While it offers basic email marketing and discounting tools, it doesn't match up to Shopify's vast third-party app integrations or BigCommerce built-in marketing features. So, is Volusion a good option for dropshipping? It's certainly solid in some areas like customer support and simplicity. However, when compared to other platforms, it lacks some key features that may be crucial as your business grows. If you're looking for more flexibility, scalability, and features, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.